YouTube. Guess what? It's another track day video. I'm doing a new YouTube video there, you might be on it. Don't lift off. Up behind me, so yeah.
Something behind you, what is it?
DC2 Integra.
Yeah! Nice one. I'd say that was enjoyed watching that. There's a chap right now, right? I was around getting my fucking buying a pitbull, an American pitbull puppy off last night, right? And we have a staffy as well. And he has a, you know what he has down in the underground garage? There's a little jam. It's an Alfa Romeo 00, right? A twin spark cloverleaf.
Yeah.
That'd be worth buying, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, would it?
Kevin would be the best man.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Jeez, sir, I'm very good at the driving. Cheers. And you practice as you?
Not yet practice. All I used to do when I was a kid is do this kind of shit and fucking highest fans.
Yeah.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
No?
No, it's a non-drift day.
It's what?
Right, let her cool down a bit.
Yeah.
And you don't want a fella like me then running into the back of you in a fucking 3 grand.
What happens then?
Nothing. It's tough shit. They're that's a yoke, they're race, whatever they're called. That's a race series. Yeah. They look like great crack actually.
Yeah. So what happens when?
Is there? Look, what's that? What's he doing there?
What happens when somebody crashes into somebody else's? How do you?
No, it's nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah, that's it.
But nobody's going, you crash into me.
No.
But if somebody was acting the bollocks behind you or there was messing
Well,
going on.
it still doesn't mean anything. He can still just go off home and say good luck.
Or there could be a swinging match.
Yeah, that's it. So
Yeah, I'd say there's been a few.
there's a couple of them, but not that much, you know.
Yeah. That was great, man. Fuck it. Some buzz. I mean, it literally is like the go-kart, but just in a...
Yeah,
isn't it?
bigger, the more advanced go-kart.
Yeah.
Well, the fact that you can, there's limitless things you can do to your own car.
Yeah.
And there's the other cars and all, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's fucking great. GoPro, stop recording.